Established in 2004, MKT Metal Manufacturing has been a leading supplier of sheet metal duct and HVAC accessories for the East Coast. Although many are familiar with their products and service, here are 5 facts you may not know about MKT. Number 1. MKT was originally named Mikey Tro, standing for the 3 of the 4 original partners, Mike Sunday, Ken Brown, and Troy Renzel. In 2008, Mikey Tro was changed to their current DBA, MKT. Number 2. Focused on labor savings, MKT offers pre-assembly services including joint assembly and damper installation. These services offer labor savings as well as reducing possible field errors. Number 3. Since opening their doors in 2004, MKT has celebrated over 20 employee 10-year anniversaries. The MKT team is comprised of over 175 dedicated and hardworking employees across both locations in Wilson, North Carolina and York, Pennsylvania. Number 4. MKT's Specialty Fabrication Division offers a variety of products including custom hoods, floor sweeps, hoppers, manifolds, and low wall returns. But did you know MKT also fabricates unique and custom products? From phenolic-coated black iron to copper spiral duct, MKT has done it all. And number 5. MKT has 2 fully automated coil lines in both their York, Pennsylvania and Wilson, North Carolina locations. MKT's coil line can produce upwards of 100 pieces an hour, as well as large size, heavy gauge, and even liner rectangular duct. Don't stop at just 5 facts. Learn more about MKT's products and services today.